How to fix try another device to continue Facebook problem. Hi everybody. If you're having that issue, you may follow up these steps. So first of all, you can just go ahead and try logging in from a familiar device and location. So if you're on your phone, you can head over to Facebook and open it up first. And there you will be finding a login interface where you may use the same mobile number or email address that you're trying to log in into the account that you're trying to log in, and make sure the Wi-Fi in the location is also same as before. Another thing is you can do it and go ahead and clear the cache of the apps or the browser that you're using. So if you're using the app, long press on the app, go to the info section at the top and open up the settings. And from here, scroll down, go over to storage, tap on it, and you may just go ahead and clear the cache, and that should help you. Or if you're getting that login error, within the login error page, you should be finding option of need help or get more help. Get more help. So look out for the option and follow the steps to verify the recent activity, and that should also kind of help you and see. You may just follow the steps and see if that works. And another thing is Facebook might ask you to send a code to your email or phone. So if you've received any kind of email, uh, you know, any kind of code, you may just try using that code whenever you're trying to verify your identity. And if that also doesn't work, you may need to upload an ID as well to ensure that is you. So just go ahead and follow up the security process first. That should also help you. Even if that doesn't work, then you can try contacting Facebook support for further assistance and see if that works. And let us know in the comments. For now, let's just follow up this process and try it out and see if that works. So that's it for today's video. You may follow up this in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.